Namaskar, this is Rohi Shankar Mane and you are watching Scientists Are Academy Towards Scientific World. In this video lecture, we are going to understand casein test or proteinases test with respect to their aim, requirements, principle, protocol, and at the end, we are going to understand the observation and the result analysis for the caseinase or proteinase test. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for more updates. So first, our aim is to determine the ability of microorganisms to produce proteinase enzyme. Requirements are culture, that is microbial culture, media, milk agar plates, the milk agar plate which is used to the growth of microorganisms, apparatus, petri plates, glass marking pencil and wire loop, equipments, refrigerator, autoclave and incubator. So refrigerator is used to preserve the microorganisms, autoclave for the sterilization of microbial agar plate, that is milk agar plates and the other stuff, and the incubator is used for the incubation purpose. Principle. Now casein is the major protein which is found in the milk. It is a macromolecule composed of amino acids subunits linked together by the peptide bond. Some microorganisms have the ability to degrade the protein into peptones, polypeptides, dipeptides and the amino acids. This process is carried out by the proteases and known as a protonization or proteolysis. Now see the protein. Okay, protein, most important protein in the milk is the casein. So casein is the most important protein found in the milk, and this casein is mostly composed of amino acid subunits, and these amino acid subunits are linked together with the help of peptide bonds. Some microorganisms have the ability to degrade the protein, that is casein, into peptones, polypeptide, dipeptides and the amino acids, and this process is known as a peptonization or a proteolysis. The function of proteases is to cleave the peptide bond, that CONH, by introducing water into molecule and liberates the amino acids. The low molecular weight amino acids are transported through the cell membrane into the intracellular amino acid pool for use in the synthesis of structural and functional cellular proteins. Casein hydrolysis can be demonstrated by supplementing nutrient agar media with the milk that contains the protein substrate casein. And after the incubation, zone of proteolysis is observed around the microbial colony. So let's see the procedure. First, we have to prepare milk agar plates and we have to label it with the test microorganisms. We have to inoculate the culture as a single line streak into the medium. And then we have to incubate at 37 degrees Celsius for 24 hours in an inverted position. And after incubation, we have to observe the growth and the zone of the caseinases or proteases, and we have to measure it and record it. Let's see the observation and the result. Now see, in the observation what we have to observe. So here we have to observe the zone of proteolysis around the growth of microbes or the colony on an agar plate medium. Based on the observations, record the observations. Microorganisms which are capable of hydrolyzing the milk protein. If you got clear zone around the microbial colony, is nothing but the presence of caseinases. If you got any zone around the microbial colony, there is absence of caseinases. Now here we can see the plate. Now see, around this is the microbial colony, and around the microbial colony there is a zone. So this zone is nothing but what? Proteolysis zone. Okay, or presence of caseinase. So this is what the observation and the result of caseinase test is. Yeah, so this is all about the caseinases test. Here we have saw the aim, requirements, principle, the protocol and the observation results for the caseinases test. Thanks a lot.